you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? We were caught up and lost in all of our vices.
Ya söylüyor şimdi.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say, and everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who'll stay. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was. You know it's not the same.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
Oh woman, don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I've ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
Now baby, listen baby, don't you treat me this way, 'cause I'll be back on my feet someday.
Don't care if you do, all this understood. You ain't got no money, you just ain't no good.
Well, I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
Well,
Don't you come back no more.
what you said?
Don't you come back no more.
I didn't understand
Don't
it.
you come back no more.
You can't mean that.
And don't you come back.
Oh, now baby, please.
Don't you come back no more.
What you trying to do to me?
Yuhu, Intercultural Night.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away.
I think it's just
Now
now
it looks
yours.
as though they're here to stay.
I think I'll just
Oh,
go.
I believe yesterday, suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly.
Ouh là là.
Oula, c'est naïf.
We are the writer, and this is the most beautiful house in this village because don't have the hay.
Welcome to Caliente. It's like different places, like they are riches and we are famous, but yes, but we love
religious people. We pray to Walahe.
Walahe.
Is a god of wood and a protector of all the lumberjacks. And we
Never open myself this way. Life is hard to live it our way. All these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Don't make it bad. Opening paths doesn't mean so hard. Remember how freezing the water was. Later and Leon almost died from fever. Hey Igor, how hard you worked. You became the king of the jungle. Together with them, you have been the greatest team, cutting all the green. If you feel sad, hey Yari, she's sad. People to cheer us up, 'cause they are crazy. Finally, he kills the bear, but he's instead. He has with the power of Red Bull. Gossip, 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 gossip. He comes again with dodgeballs stuck in his head. Remember to pass the bet to Marjan, who is the most talkative, funny, and very nice. Again. Hey Raja, are you afraid? I can see Mirko approaching your tent. Body tensions and big guitar in his hands. Lucky to have Sophia, who is a very good friend. And anytime that you are bored, can ask Ox, can you understand now what we are saying? And tell me, Dio, how you do to be so cute, always willing to help other people. Gossip, gossip, gossip.